I was watching Totally Not Mark's review of the Dragon Ball Z saga, the Saiyan saga, and I thought to myself, there's a lot of great moments here. And I thought about sharing this video with my female cousins and stuff like that. And I thought to myself, why should I bother? I don't think they're going to watch a single second of it. I don't think they're going to care. Because they are deeply rooted in the poison of feminism. They only care about female stuff. They've probably seen the Barbie movie like 16 times already. So I thought to myself, what would happen if anime was feminist? If the Japanese culture had been poisoned by feminism, like since, I don't know, the 80s till now. I'm sure Goku would have been gender swapped with a female. Okay, so let's look at the cast here. This is not a bad look at the cast. Trunks is here, but well, he's right here. So this is a good look at the cast here. Let's see what would happen here in the feminist culture, like the shit that we're in now, the woke culture. This is gonna be good. I thought of it right now in my head. I thought of it right now. Okay, so Goku would have been a female for sure. A strong, dominant female for sure. I don't know how they're gonna do the strong feats and make it believable. I'm sure they'll figure it out somehow. So Goku's a female. He has a daughter. Chi-Chi's still the same. Goka is now a lesbian with Chi-Chi. They adopted their female, Gohana. I think Vegeta will still be a man because they need to have like an antithesis kind of thing there. I think Vegeta's okay. I think Bulma's okay. Strong woman. Strong woman. So we get two gender swaps here. Trunks coming in the future, that's a female right there. Definitely going to be a female right there. I think the feminists will throw the guys a bone and have the Goten, the son, still be the son in some way. Maybe maybe Goten will be trans in the feminist culture of Dragon Ball Z. That'll be real good, right? Pervy Master Roshi, guess what? He's now a she. Now she is all up in guys' business. So instead of like perving on girls there, Master Rosha is now drooling all over hot guys. Or maybe hot women. I think all hot guys, just to throw them a bone. All guys are stupid and just made for meat. Piccolo will be like a brutish female. He'll look more female per se. And all the races on planet Namek are female looking instead of male looking. They're all female looking. And they give birth by themselves there. Think about the planet of the Amazons. The island of the Amazons in Wonder Woman. Yeah, exactly. Same thing. They're all female. Goku's best friend Krillin is now Kraleen, and now they're best girls. They may even be lesbians. Another lesbian to go with this one as well. We'll make them just best friends. So Kraleen, yeah, your best friends with Goku. The androids, guess what? They're both female this time. And therefore, Marin doesn't exist. Not really important to the story anyway. So girl and girl. So Krillin and Android 18, they still get married, but they're both females. No children, because again, this is not possible. Yamcha's a playboy. I'd throw him a bone and say like Yamcha's still Yamcha, like a thief and a goofy and a loser. Feminists would love that kind of shit in men. So Yamcha is the same, even though he's a female kind of name there. Yamcha is the same. So a majority of the cast is now female, and one of them is trans. Now the villains that are not shown here. Frieza was on the line of like being male or female anyway, so I think with him keeping her the same is cool. Just knock it out of the park there. Same shit. Cell, on the other hand, there, if a feminist ran Dragon Ball Z, Cell would be Celine, and it'll be a strong female android. Probably not babies by itself. So Celine, that'll be the final villain of the Celine arc. And Boo back here, Boo, Boo, this is on top of my head. Boo will be a female, of course. But everyone will love how large and overpowering and how, beautiful she is there. Strong, independent queen. Don't need no man. And never has, everyone gushes over how good she looks there. But yet talk shit behind her back. And when she realized that everyone's talking shit about her behind her back there, Bula gets crazy. So Bula don't like that shit. And so that's when they start fighting and stuff like that. And Bula will have a period, and the blood on the ground will morph into evil Bula. And the same thing will happen. Evil Bula will suck up good Bula. And the same thing will happen. Satan, I think Satan can still be a guy because he's goofy and stupid, and feminists like that shit. So I think Satan will still say the same. So these two are the same because they're goofy and stupid and make men look bad. So they got to say the same. And I got something for this one. If when Goten and Trunks, same whatever they want to call them, Goten and Trunks combine together to make Gotenks, it'll definitely look like a female's hair and a male's face, a transgender fusion, if you will. Because Goten will now be trans. We're getting a little bit of that in the fusion. So female Trunks, whatever you want to call him, female will mix with the trans thing and make some abomination-looking thing. It's gonna be fucking glorious for feminism. So there you have it. 90% of the cast is now going to be female and part trans or whatever, and half of them will be lesbians. And there you go. That'll be the woke version of Dragon Ball Z. Oh my god, it's so fucking bad, bro. What do you think of this version? This is going to be some shit. All right, that's it for now. Clack off. I'm fucking high as hell. Even though I'm not smoking.